Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your iPhone to your 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a new 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe and you want to go ahead and connect your iPhone to it. How do you actually go ahead and find a Bluetooth pairing? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on Setup. Next, you're going to click on Device Connections. And then from here, you're going to click on Add New. So click on Add New. And now you need to turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone. And then what you're going to do is look for the Bluetooth that says Santa Fe on it, and then simply just follow the on-screen prompts. So find the Bluetooth, and once you do so, just follow the on-screen prompts, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your iPhone to your Hyundai Santa Fe. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.